Hey guys, it's Dr. Sam Robbins. So today I'm going to talk again about masturbation. It's just interesting how many questions I get asked about this topic. However, as stated before, this channel is for you, and I discuss topics that you're most interested in and have questions about. So with that said, let's get to today's question. It said, Dr. Sam, I heard and read that masturbation can shrink your penis. Is this true? I masturbate about 3 to 5 times daily, sometimes as much as 7 times daily. I'm worried I don't want my penis to shrink. Hell, I want it to get bigger. Anyways, what's your thought? Okay, so I'll be honest with you. Growing up, I never thought that masturbation would shrink my penis. I mean, this was never even talked about with my buddies. But these days, I get asked this question a ton of times for some reason. So here's the truth. Yes, masturbation can cause your penis to shrink. Actually, let me rephrase that. Excessive masturbation can cause shrinkage. Of course, the next question is, what's excessive? Well, 4 to 7 times daily is a lot. In fact, if you're masturbating that often daily, every day, you need to get a job or something because you've got way too much time on your hands. And I've spoken about this in another video about the negative effects of masturbation, which I'll give you the direct link to that video at the end of this one. But let's get something straight before I continue. Masturbation, right? Masturbating is normal and it's healthy. Men and women do it. I mean, you've seen dogs hump your leg or a toy. They do it too. And when you're younger and have higher testosterone and optimal hormone levels, you're hornier and will naturally masturbate a lot more or have sex, right? And with that said, I think 1 to 2 times daily is plenty. Now, another question might be, why or how does excessive masturbating cause penis shrinkage? Well, it's a very similar thing to working out. Even though your penis is an organ consisting of spongy tissue, it still contains, muscle tissue. More specifically, smooth muscle. Not the same as your bicep or chest muscle, which is called skeletal muscle. Needless to say, and even though it's not quote-unquote clinically proven, you can most certainly grow your penis and at the same time actually shrink it. But trust me on this, all right? Growing your penis is very possible, all right? And it happens plenty of times. It's been shown with lots of guys. So don't even bother posting something negative below in the comment section arguing otherwise that it's impossible. It's possible. However, I'm not going to talk about penis growth today, all right? I'm talking about excessive masturbation, all right, can lower your testosterone levels and create hormonal imbalances, which can cause penis shrinkage. So if you masturbate or have sex 1 or 2 times daily, it's fine. But if you do it many times daily and thus excessively, then you'll have hormonal imbalances many times during the day, all of which over time can cause penis shrinkage. Additionally, just as lack of use will cause shrinkage, so will overuse. All right, it's just like going to the gym. You don't want to under or overtrain if your goal is maximum muscle growth. Remember, everything in the body requires stimulation and recuperation if you want progress. Even your brain, you need to learn something new daily, read more, and so forth to continue to build new brain cells and synapses and so forth. That's the stimulation. While at the same time, you need to have proper sleep, healthy fats, and vitamins and minerals to help the brain recuperate and thus remember what it's learned to prevent memory and cognition problems. Yes, I'm simplifying it all, but I hope you get the point. So stimulate your penis, get the erections, do the Kegel exercises, have sex or masturbate, have orgasms, then let it rest and recuperate. I guess like anything in life, moderation is key. Lastly, you may be wondering, well, how much will it shrink if I masturbate excessively? I have no idea, guys. Anecdotally, it's probably not much, but I think it has more to do with girth than length. Maybe half an inch or so. I mean, maybe more if you've got more to shrink. But it's not about just the shrinkage. It's also about having optimal hormone levels so you perform at your best now and more importantly in the future. It's also about proper penis and prostate health. So there you have it. Stimulate, then recuperate. Now, below this video in the description area, I've got some other videos about this topic, links to them that will help give you additional clarity about this topic. If you aren't already, make sure you subscribe to this channel and then click the bell icon. Thanks for listening and have a happy and healthy day.